All right, for your social studies assignment today, you guys are going to be doing an identity map. So we've been talking about identity and who you are all week and the different things that make up who you are. And now you are going to get a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper. You're going to do whatever you want on it. You can draw pictures, you can write words, you can make it look just like mine, you can make it look completely different, however you want. But what you're going to do is you're going to make a map of who you are and the things that make you who you are. So I decided to start with a circle in the middle of the page and write my name. Your name is a part of who you are. So my name is Miss Ledford. So I put that in the middle. And coming off of my name, I put different things about me. So the first circle is my family. I have a mom, a dad, a sister, a brother, and then me. That's who makes up my intermediate family. And then I also have 3 dogs, Josie, Bailey, and Lily. So I put them on there too. So if you guys want to use family on your identity map, tell me about your family and the people who you live with or stay with. You can also put any pets that you have on there if you want. And you can write it in words or draw a picture. The next thing I put is my physical appearance. That means what I look like. Some words that describe what I look like is I was born with red hair. I kind of have a little bit blonde in there now, but it's still kind of red. I am short. I have freckles. And a word that describes me is tiny. I'm a pretty small person. And then hobbies or things that I like. I like coffee, sweet tea, I like to play soccer, and I am a teacher. So if you guys want to use these same things on your paper, you can, but you do not have to. You can pick any things about yourself that you want to write on there. And then religion. So some people have a religion or something that they believe in. I believe in God, and when I was little, I went to church a lot. So that's just something that I wanted to put on there about me. But you guys do not have to put that on there, on yours. And then here's some words that describe me. I am kind, helpful, honest, and caring. So you guys, for your assignment today, you're going to make an identity map, and you can make it with words, pictures, use lots of colors, however you want on a blank piece of paper. You're just going to tell me some things about you, and then you'll be turning it in to your teacher. So my online friends, you guys are going to take a picture of your work at home and upload it. My in-school friends, you guys are going to draw it on your paper and hand it in to your teacher.